Hi, my name's Connor. I'm a tech at the Path Bike Shop here. This is my steel Kona Honzo. I custom built this from a frame up. To start with the back end, we have some DT XM40 481 rims with some DT 350 hubs. Running Shimano's XT brakes, 2 piston in the rear. I have a 4 piston in the front with 180 rotors front and rear. I'm running Shimano's XT Di2, which is pretty awesome. I love the electronic shifting. XX1 cranks, just to kind of go with the purple and gold theme. I have an absolute black oval chainring with a KMC, the gold 11-speed chain. Running a 170 reverb dropper post. I have King Cage's titanium cage, along with the 1-Up's pump with their EDC tool inside. It's a little hard to see on the back side there. As far as the front, I have Fox's 34 factory series, running a 140. The frame's meant for a 120, but it's a little more fun running than the 140. Just a little more of like a all-mountain kind of frame. Then same wheel set in the front, running the Synchros mud fender, Chris King headset, Renthal bar and stems, carbon bars, and then we have Santa Cruz's scripts to kind of just go with the purple and yellow theme. And yeah, that's my bike.